Ladies and gentlemen, if you're looking to change your password in Hostinger, I have you covered. I'm going to show you exactly how to do it. So let's jump in. So the first thing you want to do to change your password within Hostinger, you're going to go over to the left hand side and look for hosting, or find it on your main page. Now once you've located hosting, you're going to go ahead and click on manage, and you'll find yourself in this page. Now on the left hand side you'll see a few things, but we're looking for databases, and once you've opened the drop down menu for databases, you're looking for PHP My Admin. You're going to open this up. Now right over here you will see your databases, and if you have multiple you'll have to select the correct one. Let's go ahead and click on enter my PHP admin, and it will open up a new page. It will also open it up as a new tab. Now once we're in here, you'll see a list, and what you want to go ahead and look for is WP_users. Let's go ahead and click on that, and over here you will see just underneath the options, you will see the user login as well as the user password, right? So we're going to go ahead on the left hand side, you can click on edit, and here you will see all these details. Now under user login there's user password. You're going to click on this drop down menu, and you're going to look for the MD5. All right, you want to just add that in over there, and here you can click down, select this, and you can change your password right over here. So let's say that's our new password. Once you're done, you're going to scroll a little bit further down, and you will see the last line in this dialog, and on the right hand side it says go. You're going to go ahead and click on that, and your password has successfully been changed.